Welcome to our automobile channel, where we dive deep into the latest cars, reviews, and everything you need to know about your favorite vehicles. In today's video, we'll be taking a close look at the 2025 Ferrari Portofino, a stunning piece of engineering that embodies luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a Ferrari enthusiast or just looking for your next dream car, this review will provide you with all the details you need. The 2025 Ferrari Portofino is the latest iteration of Ferrari's Grand Touring convertible lineup, combining elegance with incredible power. It's a continuation of Ferrari's legacy of building performance cars that can be enjoyed daily, and the Portofino is no exception. Designed to impress, the car offers exceptional style, supreme comfort, and high-end performance that sets it apart from the competition. Ferrari has truly crafted a car that appeals to both driving purists and those seeking a refined experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari Portofino boasts an impressive 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This powerhouse is capable of producing 612 horsepower, which allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless acceleration. Ferrari has also improved the car's performance by fine-tuning the suspension and chassis to offer the best possible handling. This results in a ride that is both smooth and responsive, providing an engaging experience whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the car to its limits on the track. In terms of design, the 2025 Portofino exudes elegance and sophistication. The car's exterior features sharp, aerodynamic lines that flow gracefully from the front to the back. The front fascia is highlighted by Ferrari's signature grille and LED headlights, which give the car a dynamic, aggressive look. The rear end of the vehicle is just as striking, with sleek taillights and a rear diffuser that not only enhances the car's performance but also adds to its visual appeal. The Portofino's retractable hardtop allows drivers to experience both a closed-roof GT car and an open-air convertible in just a few seconds. This versatility makes the car ideal for various driving conditions, ensuring that you can enjoy the elements when you desire or remain protected from the elements when necessary. Inside the 2025 Ferrari Portofino, luxury is at the forefront. The cabin is crafted using the finest materials, with premium leather upholstery, high-quality metals, and soft-touch surfaces. The attention to detail is immediately evident, creating an environment that exudes both comfort and style. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide excellent support during long drives, while the infotainment system offers a user-friendly interface with a large touchscreen display. The system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring seamless integration with your smartphone. A premium sound system also enhances the driving experience, filling the cabin with rich, clear sound. When it comes to technology and safety features, Ferrari has not skimped on providing the latest advancements. The 2025 Portofino comes equipped with a host of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a parking camera system. These features work together to ensure a safer driving experience, whether you're navigating through city traffic or taking a long road trip. The car also features advanced traction and stability control systems, which are especially important when you're pushing the Portofino to its limits on the road or track. This added level of safety and confidence ensures that drivers can enjoy the car's full potential without compromising on control. On the road, the 2025 Ferrari Portofino offers an exhilarating driving experience. The engine delivers an addictive level of power that can be felt the moment you press the accelerator. The twin-turbo V8 provides instant throttle response, making it incredibly responsive in any driving situation. Whether you're enjoying a quiet drive along scenic routes or testing the limits on winding roads, the Portofino offers precision handling, excellent grip, and an overall dynamic driving experience. The sound of the engine is also worth mentioning, as the exhaust note of the Portofino is pure Ferrari, a deep, throaty roar that will put a smile on your face every time you hit the accelerator. One of the standout features of the 2025 Ferrari Portofino is its ability to balance performance with comfort. While the car is undoubtedly fast and capable of thrilling acceleration, it also delivers a smooth and quiet ride when you want it to. This makes the Portofino an ideal choice for both spirited drives and more relaxed, leisurely cruises. The car's cabin is well insulated, ensuring that road noise is kept to a minimum, and the suspension system is tuned to provide a comfortable ride even on less than perfect road surfaces. This versatility in driving experience is what makes the Ferrari Portofino such a special car. In conclusion, the 2025 Ferrari Portofino is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and technology. It represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's engineering prowess, offering a thrilling driving experience while maintaining the elegance and comfort that the brand is known for. Whether you're in the market for a car that offers unmatched performance or one that exudes sophistication, the Portofino is a model that checks all the boxes. With its stunning design, powerful engine, and top-tier features, it's easy to see why Ferrari continues to set the standard for high-performance luxury vehicles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we look forward to sharing our next automotive adventure with you.